Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Okay, Trust Progress, the analyst. I am here for you to give you all the update back to back. The purpose why you have me is for me to update you, and that is what I am doing. So, please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. Without not wasting much of your time, let me leave you to listen to this update, and I'll be right back.
Country. Every day you wake up in the morning, if not for that you have knelt down and prayed to your God, if you open your door, the next story you will hear is a sad news. Why is Nigeria, why is that country always bringing out sad news every time? In a country, they say they have a president. In a country, the vice president is gallivanting everywhere. On Christmas Day, when many people are, in fact, what is happening in that country? You did not give them food to eat. You made the country so hard that they can't even afford to eat. Now they can't afford to live. They can't afford to live no more because of the evil of that country. Our leader, Mazen Nandekanu, said, as long as you are fighting to keep that Nigeria one, you are digging your grave. And that prophecy is coming to pass before us day after day. And since this thing happened, the so-called president has not come out to issue any statement. The vice president has not come out to issue any anything. And the can bishops, all of them, none of them have come out now to talk. But when they hear Simon Ekpa say, I will protect Biafra land with my last blood, all of them will come out and be barking like the little dog that they are, toothless bulldogs. See how they killed innocent people in their homes. Is it a crime to be in Nigeria? It is a crime to be in Niger area because as far as I'm concerned, that is not a country. It is a geographical place. What is happening in that country? You are not sure of what to eat. You are not sure of your life. If you are sick, you are not sure of where to go and take a treatment. If you nothing is sure in Nigeria, even the air you are breathing, you are not sure because in the next minute, an idiot, a vulture from the foothill of the pit of hell will come and take that air from you. And somebody will still come out and tell me a new Nigeria is possible. Anybody that will come out from today and mention the new Nigeria is possible, the person will not, oh my God, the person won't die good.
He said, before now they will begin to release the New Year prophecy. Criminal pastors release New Year prophecy.
What type of pastors are we having? That one, they are all fools. Why are they not seeing how these people are coming to kill people? Why are they not seeing it? I said, why are they not seeing it? In fact, had it been I have the power, I will close every churches in that country and we will go back to square one. We will go back to what? To square one. Because I don't see anything they are doing if not pay your tithe, offering, pay your tithe, offering, pay your tithe, offering, pay your tithe. Offering. See how people are lying. And Musa or whatever he is called. Musa will not see that one. Musa will not carry his men over there. Musa will only want to die in Biafra land, which of course he will die in. Any day Musa enter Biafra land, Musa will die. Any day Musa enters Biafra land, Allah Biafra Yakubugi, bullet will not touch you. Bullet will not touch you, but the land of Biafra will open and swallow you. You will come and air and be making noise everywhere. Making noise everywhere. See what is happening. Your men are not there. You are a big fool. That place you and your family are celebrating whatever. Thunder will fire you. Musa. Commander Musa. Thunder will fire you. Any other day, you will open your mouth in any television station and call my Prime Minister Simon Ekpa's name. Your mouth will never close. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Just, ma, take it easy, Everything is going to be okay. Our land must be protected. That is one of the most important things. Their anger now is that we have someone like Mazen Namdekano and Mazen Simon Ekpa, the PM. They are very angry that we have these people that have stand in front and say that I will never allow these people to kill Biafran people again. This is their anger. That is why you see them running up and down, because our people are out to protect our land. That is why they are fighting. But it's not going to work. We will not give them that space again to kill us. Today now that everybody is celebrating, people of Plateau State are mourning. Over 70 people has been killed today. Today being a Christmas day. And you will not see anybody, no politician will say anything. Because it's not affecting their children. That is not the kind of country we want. We must do everything to get our Biafra, whether they like it or not. Instead of Biafra not to come, everybody will be wiped out. Everybody will wipe out of that country. That is just the only solution. It's better not to be alive than to be watching Fulani come to our land and start killing people, innocent people, mothers and children. Fulani kill them without fear of anybody. They are not afraid of anything. If you take them to police station, before you even go out from that police station, they already free them. Because the DPO is Fulani, commissioner is Fulani, every position are the one in charge. And we will continue to live like a slave in our own land. It's not possible. We can no longer take it again. Can no longer take it. At Chris, you can go on. Thank you.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.